This reminds me on Mad Max scene, you know, stealing the fuel from the truck. First thing first, I need to drain the tank, and to do that I use this cheap tool that I got, and firstly I couldn't make it to start the flow, but what is the secret is to plug the opposite end, squeeze this, and you will hear the air going to the tank, and when you release it, it sucks it all the way. So pretty easy way to drain the tank, and it would be helpful that I didn't fully loaded the tank just a couple of days ago, but the tank is just 12 liters when it's full, so let's drain as much as possible of the gas first. Okay, let's see what is the plan with Yamaha for this winter. So when I did the harness, I put the diode on the wrong direction. I'm pretty sure that the fuel sensor, the wire on the fuel sensor is broken, so I need to solder this, and for do that I need to remove the tank. I already removed the fuel from the tank. Second thing, I have this wire is from the horn. I will put those wires back in, and you see, as I was on the road trip, I did a pretty messy job with electrical tape, so I will remove this and sort it out, because now I don't have a horn and it can be annoying on the traffic lights and security wise. So yeah, we will do the basic maintenance of the calipers, brake calipers. I don't think we need to change the pads, so because I'm pussy and I didn't ride more than maybe 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers last year. I never checked the clutch, so I'll check the clutch now, and I want to remove this Yamaha because, you know, I want to. So we'll change, of course, the oil filter, check everything, and make sure that we are ready for this season. I don't expect any problems. Oh yes, and the main problem on the bike, I'm crazy with this right fork. It's a new OM Yamaha oil seals. I don't have pits. I don't think it's bent. I never changed though I never changed the bushings on it, but I still have a leak. What bothered me the most is that I cannot put off the oil seal without, you know, with the pressure. I have a video about that. It won't go just, you know, by slamming the fork 2 or 3 times like I did on Kawasaki or other bikes. So yeah, that is the problem. I need to refill this fork and see if I'm going still have some oil leak. I need to check that. Yeah, and that's the biggest issue. And so yeah, some basic maintenance. I already checked the oil in brakes and in the clutch. I don't need to do much of job there. So this is the first time that I have a bike, running bike, in the winter. It was always the major operation on him every winter. This winter I really need just these couple of things. Check definitely the clutch and see are we in specification. I will throw back on even if the plates are okay. I will throw back on the new springs, but I will check that too. So also I forgot about the air filter, so I took it out, clean it just to have service for new season.